Alright. No, I need 20 minutes. And let's bring this in. Which one do you want me to go first? Just the lychee or the mango?
Alternate.
Huh?
Mango and lychee.
Which one do you want me to go
Mango.
first? Okay. Or should we just do it in order the way we put them? Okay. No, I'm not meaning the order. I mean not the line order. I mean the order that how we put them. Like the lychee was the first one that we put. Lychee powder first. So we go over the lychee first. That kind. Understand me? Almost. Done. Let's put shrimp in there.
Jelly.
Yeah. Let's put some more in. Once we have more space, and we can save some space for some other food. This here. Done. Hey, you want a ball? Let's make an egg as well.
Wait.
No, let's also make an egg. No. Let's also record me making an egg.
How?
Let's also, yeah.
Close it first. Before.
No, I wanna also make an egg.
It should be separate. Before jelly, this one is egg.
No, I wanna combine two videos.
Too long.
Let's just separate it.